Although in the past I've had several businesses that are more like side hustles, I started my detailing business in January of 2020, and 1 year later I've learned a ton. It all started whenever I was 15 years old and I had the idea to offer mobile detailing services, but I was 15 and I couldn't drive yet, so I started to plan and do research. I found all the chemicals and equipment I would need, and then I started to trim that list down to the very basics because I was on a budget and I still am. Then I ordered everything, got my driver's license, and threw everything into the back of my '07 Honda Accord. Now what? Where's all the clients and money that I was promised I was gonna have? This is my first real business and I have no idea what I'm doing. Then COVID hit and that made things 100 times harder to do. I bought everything I would need and then I practiced and perfected my skills. Why am I not getting clients and how do I fix this problem? After 6 months of running around like a chicken with his head cut off, I realized that a detailing business is 80% business and 20% detailing. I had that all switched up whenever I first started because I thought everything was about detailing and the skill. So I got back to the books and started building a better website, setting proper prices, and creating proper marketing strategies. After all that, I got my first client and I finally started making money. The marketing, the word of mouth, and everything else that I had been implementing was working out. I started getting client after client and started making a ton of money. Now 1 year later, I've learned a lot and I'm implementing everything that I've learned into my business, and most importantly, I'm making money. Now I plan to go fully mobile with a water tank and generator very soon, as well as to start offering paint correction and ceramic coating services. Now this was a very short and condensed video of my whole timeline over the last year of starting my detailing business, but if you guys want any breakdown on my marketing, SEO, or anything specific like my detailing equipment and setup, comment that down below and I'll try to make a video on that. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.